Hello everyone, just finished my class today. From 7:30 ha, till night. Good na pagod. Kapoy kayo ko guys. Pero dili na street ha. Na mga classes nga, wala po na book. But I finished my 21 classes because it's a Saturday. Maraming nagpapabook basta Saturday. Pero adlaw sa mga Monday to Friday, gamay ra. Usay wala jud. Only in peak hours. So, for those part-timers, perfect kay siya because classes from 6:30 to 9:30, puno-puno jud ka na, guys. So, apply na samtang bakasyon pa. Bisaya day ko tod ko ha. But of course, I choose to vlog in Tagalog para maintindihan naman tayo ng lahat. Sige, so wala pa man ko nakakaon. Gutom na kayo. Life of a teacher ning kamot kay. Syempre, mahal ang palaliton. Daghan ka itag mga expenses. So, we need sideline. Yeah. Okay, so for now, bye!